Yes, as I told you in the previous video, I'm going to build a camper on the back of there, so that's what I'm on with at the minute. And this is how I've got on so far. I've made it out of 2x2, and I've put the walls with this foam insulation. I've got that done so far, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it all now with what's called breathable waterproof fabric that you cover the whole lot with. And then what I'll do, I'll cover it with plywood after that, and then I'm going to paint it with waterproof white paint. Give it 3 or 4 coats, and then I might put a little metal tin roof on that bit. I don't know yet, we'll see how we go. But it's coming along, and don't forget, keep watching the skies. Right, it's another day, and I've got all my waterproof breathing membrane over the thing now, more or less finished, just odd bits to do here and there on that, but that's and then it's going to be covered with plywood on the outside, painted with a waterproof paint, 2 or 3 coats, for maybe 4, but I still haven't decided whether I'm going to put a metal roof on there yet. I haven't decided yet, but that's all the inside done with the 2-inch insulation, and I'll be fitting a door on there, and I'm going to get what's a rectangular porthole window that they put in on yachts. I'm going to put that in one of the sides, probably that side there, because the bed's going to go in that bit, and maybe put some ventilation things in there and now the floor on the bottom, oh heck, this bloody stuff, we'll probably cut that bit out about that. The floor is going to be plywood on the bottom, and then covered in that space with this again, and then another bit of plywood on top, and the inside I'm just going to cover with thin plywood on the inside walls, I think. And but the trick of it is, on the bottom I'm going to put casters on. I'm going to put casters so I can move it, and even take it off the truck when I'm at the campsite if I want to. So what it'll be I'll probably put the casters so they're either on that bit there where they fit in that bit, and it slides up, and that's it. But of course it'll be tethered down when it's on the back of the thing. It's not going to move anyway. Yeah, so that's it. So I mean, it's pretty light for one person to lift at one end. You can get one end up on the back of the truck and then push it along. You know, it's gonna be all right, I think. Anyway, that's the. Pete was here yesterday, but we didn't get the camera out because he was. I want some more music on me USB things, so I was faffing about doing that for him. So, anyway, he's all right. Anyway, that'll do for now then. Ta-da for a bit.